I'll show you how you can connect your Verizon Soundbar onto your TV. First off, you need to place the Stream TV soundbar in a location. Position the Stream TV soundbar in front of your TV or on a flat surface. You can see on the picture right now, it's on a flat surface and it's right under the TV on a flat surface, right? So Stream TV soundbar on a desktop or shelf, whichever you prefer. Now, once that's done, before you start, confirm you have a Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection already ready, right? Now, the first thing you need to do, first off, you'll have to connect the HDMI cable from your Stream TV soundbar onto the port on your TV HDMI ORC port. If your TV does not support IRC function, please connect the HDMI cable from your Stream TV soundbar HDMI out port to any available TV HDMI port. And then connect the power cord from your Stream TV soundbar to an electrical outlet. So to recap, you need to connect the HDMI out to your TV and also the power cord into the electrical cable, right? Now, after that done, you need to turn on your TV and begin to pair your Stream TV soundbar with your Stream TV voice remote. So first off, on your remote, make sure you've put on the batteries, and then you need to press and hold the remote, play and pause, and the zero button for around 6 seconds to pair. Your Stream TV soundbar voice remote now should be paired, and then you just have to follow the on-screen prompt on whichever TV you're using it on to actually pair it onto the TV. After that, that's it. You're done.